best-in-class performance. With a high maximum speed of 480 packs per minute, a maximum accuracy of plus-minus 0.15 gram, and greatly improved productivity. Automatic program setting allows the initial settings to be made without any need to input complicated parameters. IP69K compliance enables washing with high-pressure, high-temperature water. Tubular legs minimize dust accumulation. A load cell that can withstand up to 300 kilograms with minimal cleaning and maintenance downtime. The conveyor and pulley are easily removed and reattached. It can meet a diverse range of customer needs. The best in its class, the Yamato I-Series Checkweigher.